Yes, welcome on board. Um, now Uncle P be this. I did today online. I just will talk with you where it make my heart really glad. Once more, we for mainland Europe don't show grandpa for say you know if you roll people they don't want me to roll them. You know if you roll people they don't agree me to roll them. We who come on West Cameroon, we don't tie hard long time. We take that nonsense so I don't dey put that for our heads for long time. But now as we don't decide say una no fit roll continue to roll with for this bad way, I think today we don't show a good sign. So we're supposed to live we in peace. Make we go our own way. We don't continue for the force of rule. We no one una roll with. That time we don't pass so una be the first una power on top we. Wait to happen Belgium today. Wait to happen Brussels today. If you just been for show una say it don't end. It don't stop. And the message don't go out for our brothers and all over the world. Now by force, we don't know if you roll people they know one moon roll them. If we don't want continue for the use that French system where they don't impose them for una. If una like them, to continue for that French system, una stay una leave who go, who arrange our country. I think the activities of today don't show una say Southern Cameroonians they don't get enough. And they be ready now to take their trouble for their own hands. Which our parents they go through, which we can go through. We know one more picking them can't continue for that suffer. So enough be enough. For Brussels, we don't show una today say una power over we it don't finish. I'm very happy to see the strong man Laura also. She don't like picking where it don't tip sugar the cashew. She don't like picking the cashew and tip egg. Because we don't take back our power to our hand. I beg una leave more arrange one part of the country. We leaders don't already draw up a plan for we. And we'll be ready to follow that plan. We don't tire on that. Now by force, if money don't finish, it don't finish. Now by force. That time no pass on be the kill our people the way person know the see. Now if we want shit, we don't see them. If we want do anything, we don't see them. Una don't spoil our kingdoms then. Una don't corrupt our chiefs then. Una buy all the MPs. But tell me, now who be king without the people then? Who be MP where no get people there they follow for back? That time we don't pass. We no need guns to fight una. Because you know will bring me any good, no bring una any good. We don't tire una. So una live in peace. Make we build our country and una go come back for we. Even if we not get the mineral, we not get oil, we not get anything, but just our power will get, we will build our country with the we will not organize things, we will build our country. We not know the shame. Time never correct for pack things start go. Lalai Afrique, abeg carry your people there for Bamenda, una go una. Time no reach to carry your people there, una go una. Time no reach to carry your pikin there, una go. But if una want to stay, una stay in peace, una no interfere again for matters. And then same to you, Okala Bela, and how did they call you for Southwest? Abeg, carry your pikin there, una go una. Una leave we now more arrange for country. More try to build up a country. Because una don damage am for 56 years today. Una leave am more build am up, abeg. Una leave am more build am up. Time no reach for winner for take we own power we get for build we country. So una carry una pikin and una go. If you want to stay with we because you like our tradition, una stay, but not interfere again for matters. We don't show una today for mainland Europe say we no agree una at all. Even una soldier wey carry chase the knack person, na easy say fall dey die. Una minister of injustice, which she don so power no dey for talk because you don see say e don finish. Abeg una leave we in peace. Una leave we in peace. Una leave we in peace. Una don corrupt all we chiefs dem, corrupt the parliamentarian the way we be vote am. Una fit carry dem go. E don correct. E don correct. Una be start to damage our technical education. Una break our technical education completely. We dey do for my own time wey I be dey GDC Ome. You dey start with city and girls. If we wan go finish now, they come with cap. They translate question from French to English. The question dey wey the teacher dey wey they invigilate with, they no fit even answer questions. You get teacher wey dey teach you for class, he no fit talk English with you. My sport teacher for Ome ask my classmate, that trustee na immune so say na brother immune. Na English that way they talk for student. We struggle go high school. Out of all the teachers of high school, no one English speaking teacher no dey, and na for Kumba. As una don damage technical education finish, una don jump now for general education. Una go for the general education, una don damage everything too. I mean, inside Cameroon, you no fit see any technical student wey complete wey no go be teacher. What una want for we? Na by force again. We don turn am now say enough be enough. Una carry una pikin dem for region, for country, una go una. Una carry una pikin dem for country, una go una. E don too much now. I think you don see am today wetin happen for Brussels. You don see wetin happen for Brussels. We no go use gun for fight. Na just the beginning that you don see wetin happen for Brussels. E show say we say enough be enough. And as we go continue for all place. For US, they will be too good for una. They just tell una openly say that's so. But for Brussels, we enter, we take over the hall. Make una go. Una the camp of diaspora we can discuss with we. Why would I never first discuss with our brother whether they when we can lock him for prison? What did they do for prison? What did they do behind bars? What did they commit a crime? When I will first talk with them for Cameroon, I can't talk with we for outside here. But when I don't take una eye on a see. Now so you can happen for England. Now so you can happen for South Africa. For any country when I go, they una carry una delegation from Cameroon come where they speak, where they talk English, so that means they can represent we. But we tell them for Brussels, say, no. Una don't take una eye on a see. So my brothers and back home, my brothers and for all region, all counties for Southern Cameroon, una don't see what we don't do today. So big una turn up. We don't need weapon to fight them. No, just civil disobedience. No pay anything like tax. I don't stop importation. I know if instead of import something, I will import them. I will take them for Nigeria. Even I will dash people, I will dash them. We will not go pay una any taxes again. So, person listen to me back home. I talk precisely for my uncle I come out from DOP. Make una no listen to where they talk. Una do it to where the Southern Cameroonian Governing Council they don't talk. Me, I like my chief on DOP. I like all the chiefs they on DOP. But if you mbe on DOP, where would they respect una? If una be say una could take some money for beer, una come, una no dey for side, una could remember una. Who been there when you come back for palace, you don't get place to sleep, you don't get people to sleep. Una be with papa them. Una still remember how wait to will be give una like respect. What did happen? Now the few families of Ghana will sell una people. See what will happen when two brothers then they want come go here when they go take money. They die for road. Now for sure when I say God the see. We don't suffer a correct. We get a bill country where man go get anything by merit. You want to go to professional school, you can merit them. You write common entrance, you enter for the school. We not go see the right common entrance again. Person to come up from here, they can't change list. Which kind of country would live in? So time don't correct now for we to build our own country. Make everything begin run smoothly. We will get respect with every person. The thing I say, we don't sell with conscience. We don't sell any reason. Look, for instance, when we did high school, we support SDF now because we think say SDF they can't make a move go back, gain more powers. But Frundi, I talk for you now. We work out food from Kumbarish Bamenda, we don't get money for pay transfer, go Bamenda. We work out food from Kumbarish Bamenda for support SDF, me you win. So that we will get that multi-partisan system because we will be propagating, we will bring back with sovereignty. But now you don't test money, you forget your people there. SDF, power to the people. Who said the people there? The power don't enter for your hand, you don't remain for there. You fight, how you will do fight Biao uses as a dictator? You know the shame. Power will respect you. Work out food from Kumbarish Bamenda for support. Make SDF be launch. But you don't live inside rain. You don't throw away inside water. Which kind of shame be this one? How you do lose that respect if you get them? Time don't reach now for come back, come meet you are picking them. You hold their hand them. We will cross the river. We'll cut that link. We'll build that country back. Or if you say that corruption don't enter for your head, then I'll be very sorry. It be a disgrace. It be a disgrace. SDF, power to the people. Now you don't leave people them. You test money. Now only your own picking you support. Well, are they for this country? Political party leaders that they change, that they make elections too. If you there leader for party, you know if you show transparency where you still leader for party, how you do show transparency where you don't be president? So far, time don't reach for arresting them before you go for grave. So that when you go for grave, we go to sing dance ahead with price say, oh, Papa don't do it good, he don't die. You have a better position for advise all the parliamentarians and advise all the leaders and where they pick and corrupt them. Like you said, don't fall for that trap. You have a good position for advice and say, time don't reach to change things. Because we get to go back now for way to where we be before. Say politicians talk say, I could do this one, he could do one. Nifru, ma remind you, don't forget say we be the first country where you get free and fair democratic elections for East Africa. When John Guffonta be the compete here and there, we'll get power change. Even for Gumjwa, power change with no struggle. Ask yourself, you be there part of the delegation of Fumban, which don't happen along the line. Which happen along the line. Why you miss that road, Papa? Each parliamentarian, they become ranch owner. I remember the man for Fondop or from Gokutunja. Out of a sudden, you go buy all area. Buy my own land where all from Fondop will give me. Now from who na buy? From nobody. Time no reach now for say people they don't get enough for this nonsense. Well, when they be chased out of country before, they don't know they do in a good. You beat the king down for outside, you forget you don't know they do in a good. Now, we not still be like our papa them will be or our grandpapa them will be. We don't try to learn something for come back for help country. But we'll never come to country because I don't support our place. But my advice to all MPs and for Southern Cameroon, all parliamentarians, all delegates, because I know say most of them have been a delegate and parliamentarian. We'll never be anything more than that because we'll be second-class citizens. When I reason when I head, think about what I talk. When I know say, no matter how long or how much you push picking for war, one day that picking go gather more to come back push you through. So that time no reach for picking will push back. When I forget that French system for ruling, where they impose power for people then. When I come back now, we will try to build our country. We don't get young brothers then. Just look the blue print where Mila Atta it present them with a lot of wisdom, lot of energy, lot of clarity. Would I leave these people then now come and build this country for help every picking, not only a few. Gogo Mon Paul, my name too na Paul. Now why did they call me Uncle P? I come from Dr. Like you, Mr. Gogo Mon. From small, we know your papa will be a sell out. You two don't come fall for that trap. Wait till you do US. Why did you go carry that disgrace? Pa Gogo Mon, we been one of the sellers them. Sell out them for time we did small picking them. The Gogo family, all it places them for position. You too, you don't come fall for that trap. Why? You there for generation. Why you two can't disgrace we? Wait till you do US. Why don't we first go free your brothers the day for Kundenge? Why don't we first go free your brothers the day for jail? You know the shame? Mr. Paul Gogomo, you know the shame? We know you right from Dub because me, I grew up from Dub. I grew up for Bamunka. You know the shame? What should you do there? That disgrace they do now for US. Now behind they get that disgrace. I beg when I turn back, come back. We will build a perfect nation where it could be a model of all nations for Africa, and we'll be able to do them because me I not be intellectuals, but we'll get intellectuals then. We'll get brothers them outside plenty where they be ready to come back and invest in Cameroon. Most of we don't try, but the way we the rule la republic, we don't break down all businesses. But that no be any that it no matter anything. We still build West Cameroon for our pickings them. We still make a make we picking and get something better. Past one we don't get them. We no carry that money to go for grave. No way. So why you agree to go take that small money, abandon your people? I mean, when you lie for bed, how do you think, Mr. Gogomo? I today ask myself, oh, Paulos, when you lie for bed, how do you think? What should you think? For go your village, for go Bambalang, for any season, you need canoe. You need about 2 or 5 Land Rovers. Canoe because some place you go swim. Land Rover because some place, some Land Rover go hang, another Land Rover go try for pulley. But you dey hang for person in the back way, they do nothing for your area. They take a few of una, make a moon be like hammer for other for una brothers ahead. They could take una own riches. They can pinch small give una start for the fight other people. Mr. Gogomo, pack your kako, go back for Cameroon, go stay for your village 3 days or 1 week. And also you know what kind of food for go school. Because from small, probably get everything. Probably be one of that people the way I usually buy them, they begin suppress food they from them. Probably get everything. And also you know what kind of food for go school. And not beginning they will come out, they will come out Bambalang, they will come out Bamali, come school for Bamunka in those days. When they come school, reach to school, they don't take a uniform, tie up for their belly because they begin to cross between Bamali and Bamunka. That place they whatever the always for is the food. That beginning they give for cross with that water they reach them for belly, who they can't reach class. But you don't see all those things then. But go back and go see your village. You don't ever visit Bambalang for the last time then. You don't visit them because your head no day free. Your conscience no day free. You don't know what you do, you not fine. When she don't for discuss about the matters for Bamenda, you come on carry book or sign up for your own day. When I discuss matters for Bamenda, they want wait on a talk meeting, you go right and nothing for sign up. Brother, at the shame for your place. So, when I listen me fine, I talk to one another for Mambe them. With the respect una, when we will be this small, Mbe be self-sufficient. Respect. No man with the open eye look bare. When Bear come, woman the bow for down, all man the bow for down. But Usa una day. Usa house of chiefs say. They don't take small money, they spoil all una. I beg. We won't forget that respect again. But how we do get that respect again when I don't live? They don't take una, they make una be na beggars. I see the other day, back where the chief bow down for president, where they become bow down for chief in front. Usa una day. You bow down for beg. Where if you guard your picking them, take care of your villagers, you could get everything more than that way to educate them for that BIA government. Which is the worry we. They don't make them when I don't bring on ourselves when I fight. Someone say I'm the second class chief, someone say I'm the first class chief. Where will they head to? Where will they head to? Where will they head to? What will they gain from them? What will they gain from them? As we don't talk, when I listen our TV, when I watch our TV station, when I hear calls from everywhere, for all small villages, them, for every small place, the people they don't get enough. When I turn back now, can't help una pikin dem for build a nation where they don't always dream for living. The nation where pikin dem finish school, whether a papa poor na how, he no go lack work. Nation where pikin go finish school, whether a papa get na which kind of financial difficulties, he no go fail for go high school. When I be there, when I go, I live in Ndop. Me one, me one be pass common entrance to go Umbe College that year. Me one, I be there Umbe. I did get scholarship. When I be pass exam time, they begin with 14,000. That day 14,000 being a big money. But today, all that money, one person inside government will take and put up a belly because they don't be too corrupt. So as enough don't be enough, join una picking them. Una don't do good work for send you for school. Join una picking them. Make the build up country where you go grave with smile. Even if you die, go for grave, you will die with smile for your face. I beg. Ma Kamba now, I talk with our brothers and when where they come out from Francophone land, where they come out from La Republic, where they live for area. We grow up with Bamiliki them. We grow up with people from Western Province. We grow up with Basa people them. When that time when they be cut on a neck for La Republic, when I be run camp for we will cover una, we give una a good mentality. They be the kill una a lot for East Cameroon. Una run camp for we can't be like brothers. Now una don't start turn back for chook we stick for back because we don't say enough na enough for that very government way it be the brutalize una run camp for we will cover una. My brothers and sisters then, we grow up together, we go school together. Una listen carefully. This fight no be against una. Now against that very government way it be the brutalize una. Now against that very government way it be the kill una forefathers them. Now against that very government way it be the cut una part and next one of Makiza. Now we grandpa John Gufoncha, now he helped most of them. Take them out of the forest. They will call them Makiza. So this fight, we not the fight now against una. We the fight now against that government where France don't put them, make we suffer. So una get for understand we. At the back una, Ben Sikri man for inside Amenda, Ben Sikri man for Ndop, Ben Sikri man for Bambili, Ben Sikri man for Mutengene, Ben Sikri man for any town, for Kumba. For Kumba, when I was there high school too, most of my landlord will be in Abafa. We not the fight now against una. Una understand we. Una see which way we go through. Now the very thing we una part of it to go through before the wrong can meet up with. So wait here the one tell una now say, una no provoke we. If we say na ghost town, una get for respect am. Because we no be do that bad to give una part of refuge. We no be do that bad to help una grandpa their lives, to save their lives. If we for live and they kill them in those days, we are not for there in existence today. We are not for there alive today. So with the back una try for respect if we say we get a ghost town. Una try for respect them. Because we know the fight against una. We know the fight against una. Una try for respect them. Okay. Ma bring back una mind for certain things. Ask some of una grandpa the way they still there alive. When una no be get knowledge for live on for East Cameroon. West Cameroon Bank be give una part them loans. Most of the rich family people they dey today, if they know they talk like they will tell una the truth. When for East Cameroon, man be need for go France before you get permission for loan 500,000 francs. They be the loan on a part them 5 million, 10 million for West Cameroon Bank. Now that money make most of una rich. We dey respect una for the way una be hardworking. But una respect we if we say today na ghost town there. Because wait till we the fight for. The government will the fight against. The government want to liberate ourselves from them. That the very government will kill our grandfather. So Muna respect we. Keep that ghost town. At the send this one for French school from dog. If they say school no go for day, we will give for respect and too. Because na French school, but then na inside we country. And then the message to go for French school, for all French schools and for we country. We will give for respect we. I know some of you now, when I see the reality, but because of the way they bring una up, una not get this feeling, this respect. Una not say time could reach way, una not still control the anger of people then. When our brothers will start for do this civil disobedience, una Minister of Injustice say today for Brussels, I see she don't like small baby. If we talk so hungry, go do them, they go back for court. But that one it not happen. Because we get anger we don't stay away for long time. If you kill me today, I just pray say I don't make more young Cameroonians who know the real history, then they will continue. You kill another one, they will continue. Because we know the reality. Say, we don't get enough. We don't be second-class citizens enough. We know the reality. So, my Francophone brothers, I know they call on Francophone because when I grow we together. But two way they kill them because when I don't turn up for the children for back. When I just respect we. So if you say no school, Francophone schools and two for inside our country, when I get for respect and two, when I not go for school. When I not say that very army where they be killed today, that the very army where they be killed on papa them, on a grandpapa them. Now you will save them. Now you will give them refuge. Now you will help them to cover them for whole country. So I don't tell you now. I hope I don't get that fine. I dey come back now for the armies that they don't send them for region. If you be a B officer, you be an army officer, you be a police officer, or you there for Southern Cameroon. You know say, as you did it, we terrorize we. That's so that very government where you work for them for terrorize we. Now so he go kill you too. Proofs and they plenty. Just for know what will happen now. They send una for north, una go fight Boko Haram. The minister will get to buy una weapon, they take the money, chop una, they go fight Boko Haram with no weapon. So una try to understand the way to where we talk, way to where we go through, una to go through. When we don't finally leave the country, when we don't finally leave go for our own country, we go dey open to receive una when they run the cry the camp. Because that barbaric government when I support them, so you police officer, you B officer, you gendarme, they go turn back for una when they don't speak people for material like we. They will turn back to kill una. But una no fear, we go receive una, we go keep una fine. Because now with tradition, to be peaceful. And then I do warn that people them now where they bribe them from East Province. They can't enter Bamenda say people they don't get explosive. That B where you don't turn up open in mommy system, it talk say They promise to give you 2 million, me do that action. They never give that 2 million. Tell your friends then. Me they open themselves too openly. Me they not go punish innocent people for nothing. They don't already take enough lives away. Muna no say we don't need weapons to fight on that. All of you no be intelligent, but Muna no say our brothers and they get sense so we go use now we sense we win Muna. Muna don't see what did happen. We don't disgrace Laurent Esso for Brussels. I see with my eye where she done toothless dog. You go talk for Cameroon, but you come for here. Toothless dog. When I be when I come for here, other delegation I bring her, they'll come begin clap on her. No. We no agree. And I see what happen for UK. I see what happen for South Africa. For you, as when I see what happen, they tell Gogo Moon, yeah, click, say, now lie. So, when I know if you roll, we will not agree. Una roll with. My brothers and sisters are from Amberland. My brothers and sisters are from all counties for Amberland. Una don't see what you do for Brussels. Una don't say the power there for una hand. They know if you roll, una don't give me the roll. The first thing when I first show them, that goes down. Where army come inside town for shoot person, you come, you know, see even a foul for shoot them. Now that would already been a victory. And the time be ripe. God don't already bless with say that's some 56 years you don't correct. So you army officer, you police officer, you STO, where you there for country. I beg, carry your things them, go you back. Because we don't get enough. We no want una again. We don't get enough. At the back na back. Because you surely get family for feed them. You surely get people to take care of them. You surely get a life to live. When we don't push through them too much, something will happen when I don't want them to happen. And we don't want them to. And we don't want them to. We don't want them to. If we agree for be slaves of France forever, we will continue. Leave we go outside. Because we don't be enough fit enough to take care of ourselves. We will continue for that as slaves of France. But we won't don't correct. We won't don't correct. Okay. We don't damage our educational system. We not damage our judicial system. We not damage our health system. Now, the only hospitals for Southern Cameroon where you treat person fine, and where most La Republic people them, most of them they run come use them, na Baptist Hospital. And we don't try in several occasions to put them down with their taxes, but never succeed. That Baptist system where they no be francophones and bill them, na anglophones them, na we brothers and bill them. For compare, I get a very good example. Any Englishman where they live for Douala, go look L'Hôpital Sebec. L'Hôpital Sebec na francophone Baptist, their hospital. Go look am. If sick they do you, you go intervene. You go come on with double sick them. Because they don't know for managing them. They don't dirty them. They don't live, I don't broke. Okay. I be well known for my charity work. Person get accident, I carry you go there. As I enter there, I carry that person, I run. I go live at another hospital. Now just example that will show how we West Cameroonians dey able to manage our thing. Una dey profit now for the health, Baptist health care. Na English people dem build am up. If na francophone for dey for up, they go don break down everything. When small sick hold una dey run for France just because say una dey be unable to build una country. So na you will tell una say enough don be enough. We be strong enough to build our country. We be intelligent enough to build our country. Una leave we will go. Marry no be na by force. I know say Bia, maybe you be a very good person, but the people around you will fool you. I beg pa, you get one chance to go grave like a happy person. So my brother, they talk say now you go facilitate our move, our country make it turn up West Cameroon. But my advice to you now say, no listen to your ministers, no listen to your brothers, no listen to all your people the way they are around you. They only make you suffer. They only chop for your back. You don't see as they thief money. You don't see as they break the country where you try for bail. For make am say we go get respect for you. We go like you even if we don't live for our country. Leave me, we will go build our country. We go invite you all time you can stay. We will. But if you continue for hand for day, I'm sorry, you go die bad die. Because you will get mental problems. You don't see what happen with Laurent and so for say. You like and make it happen for you too. You want me to disgrace you too, so we don't like to disgrace you because at least you don't be president for the Republic for a long time. Listen to me. I've been one of the product for your bad government, but I want you to die at least with one good thing, so you don't make me Southern Cameroonians and be happy with you. Leave me, you go winner. Free with brothers then. Which they do for them? Which they do for them? Ask yourself why you send people that are outside me they come dialogue with Southern Cameroonians that are outside. Who they advise you that kind of way? Papa? Papa don't know say family matter they discuss for our house. Go talk with that people that don't catch and lock them for Kunenge. Maybe you not be aware that they don't lock with Kunenge. Go talk with them. Don't send people that are outside because we will also disgrace them. Also, the advice you will do so a very wrong person. If they make mistake, Papa, I'm there. My call my grandma will call you there. It be a shameful thing that my grandma don't die but they Papa, I'm there. Also, the advice you will do so a very wrong person. Go try to talk with people with Ayapon. Talk with Baladen. Discuss with them. If you want to know say what you will talk not true, go talk with them. We'll not arrange. We'll make a plebiscite. We'll make a referendum. We'll try to repeat that plebiscite we're supposed to be a 4 months. We'll make a referendum. Just ask West Cameroon people what you really want. We'll tell you the truth. And we should not table arrange all things what you find. We will turn back the goal with respect for one another. And we will keep on to respect you. But you spoil everything with the wrong decision that you take out. Okay, but ask you one thing. You will send Laurent and so you come out talk say hungry go whole lawyer and they will go back for court. They don't go court. How many months today? They never go court today. How many months? I know say before the house she done, say they go tired, they go start go school. Now which schools don't go on? You force a few people and they go write GCE. Which kind GCE? Which you don't do for we. Apart of teach me they do, me they corrupt. For we tradition. You don't feel rape where you no saw. You don't feel harvest come where you no plant. Now why do you see for Bamenda all mommy they work? Mommy them pay their school fees of picking them only with their hand. Look, you are picking them, you don't bring her up. Look, person like a Kema. University, a person must go in with a certain number of points. Even if you don't pass 3 or 2 A's, you don't get a number of points of go to university. But I can't get a degree for university. We're not even getting the O level, not even getting the advanced level. Ask yourself, what should you do for West Cameroon? What should you do for West Cameroon? I know what will be the plan. When I hear you be the president, you will be a work boy. You know plan all these things then. When the plan will be like say, when I make us so move you forget what's our come out. Who say lie? We never forget where we come out. Because where we come out, people will get respect, people will get ethics, people will get standard. Person don't be the life of public so. Person don't be the tip of public so. Everything will get accountability. Now why don't we forget where we come out? Now why don't we forget where we come out? So leave we are back. Make we go we way. Leave we make we go we. They say, for English they say, one word for wise man, it is sufficient. And I'm be sure so you'll be a very wise person. But people around you, they fool you, they deceive you for their own personal interest. They don't like you. Because they will like you, they don't advise you to send people there for outside. Me, they go talk for English Cameroonians. But when you don't put the brother for sale, you think that you put my brother for sale, then I can't talk with you. You say you kill my brother, I can't talk with you. Ubras they don't die, Pigin they don't die. You still catch them every day, put up a sale. And then person they advise me to send people like delegation for outside me can't talk with who? Why you not supposed to talk with them? They don't put them inside prison. By the way, you catch them for the country, carry and go for your own country for put them in prison. Now what prison has not been so? So that war una declare about we were 56 years ago, you never finished. I still remember when I be this small, my party campus on their house with bruises in their hand. Papa now waiting, Kale with the outside today, and it still continues to stay today. We don't know the shame. Behind you know the shame. Now all Asian entire head will not be reason. Why don't they advise you so? Who would even advise you to give you that kind of advice? You know, so you get trouble. You get to think now. Say all the people that are around you, no man, no one, you are good. Because if they want good for you, they don't advise you to do that, you take that kind of step. So the best thing that people will deny me, they don't still go for England because they'll get the same treatment like we'll give them for Brussels today. Deny me, they don't go for South Africa because they'll get that same treatment I'll give them today. So I beg you, go take our brothers and out from prison. They're not supposed to do there. You know they're not supposed to do there. They just ask the way to where it belongs to them. If you don't know say what you talk not true, why you know the green they talk about the thing? Why don't they make a round table conference? Ask West Cameroon the way they want. You choose say all that money you don't take off to now for the bright people them here and there. That money no for don't do good for your country. You know if don't do something good for your country. Like the big money Laurent Sobukara for Brussels today. The one I take up to buy that delegation when you come with them. That francophone they talk English where they can't come. Tell me they can't behave like we. Nothing so still foolish. Upa they be like una. Upa they will be gentlemen them. Now whether they will shake hand una, they go into agreement. But agreement will not hold. But this time around, I don't open a back. Will be Baminda. So when they ask me whether it be Baminda for South or it be Baminda for Baminda. Yes, will be Baminda. But this time, I think I don't open small. The big delegation where you Laurent so we bring them where they become behave like Southern Cameroonians then. They never get the chance. So my advice to you, Papa, I say, die with dignity. I beg go for rest with dignity. Make a mere picking and no lost memory of you. No greed advice to people they give you. Free that English people the law or the keep up for your jail. Free our uncle Aya Paul Abine. Free other small boys they catch up for street. Someone catch up for Kumba recently. Begin to read newspaper. Just because they read newspaper, they don't write about Southern Cameroonian matter. You catch it on lock up. What is that they bring up for you? It only disgrace you. Yes, I know. You don't have to pay your master France. But you could go down like a coward. Although you don't live like a brave man. You could go down like a coward. I know say plenty people in the Africa they behave like you. Samsung gets on the same thing. Look all French countries there. When I take example for Paul Kagame, he don't turn it back for France. See as the country they grow. See as the beginning they grow school with joy. See as the beginning they learn. See as the country they develop every day. So as we no one leave France, now he will talk say, make we go on way. We'll construct the country, we'll build them up. So that if things the one burn for your side, you should not come for you. We could still cover you, we could still take care for you. Because you at least you don't be our chief papa for 35 years today. Okay? One word for a wise man to be sufficient. This one that they go nana for our big brother, our papa, Mr. Philemon Nya. I know so you know ever saw for Cameroon. Go come out Canada, come back. Your papa make a do the dinner for face the way for the chop. But remember one thing. For Northwest tradition, you know, all that blood way you gone for your hand. Because any person where the government killer will support you. That blood, they hang for your hand too, brother Philemon. You see what happened with you, Amanda. They be one use you, we talk, full teachers them, and all the trade union leaders them. They make them you understand say, brother, it's not gonna be enough. So I beg listen to me. We do almost talk the same dialect, but I don't like what of you on the talk. Turn your back now to this bad government. Come back for your people before it be late. Mr. Philemon, Uncle Philemon, Brother Philemon, think to yourself. Turn your back now to this bad government and come back for your people before it be late. Because you could end up for Kundenge like end of New Ephraim and like the other people that will dance to like you. You know, say that man no know for dance to you like for his side, which you dance fine, they put money for your pocket. They are when you dance fine like juju, they say take money for your pocket. You dance fine like juju, they say take your life. So stop for dance like juju for you, brother. Come back for your people then. Before it be too late for you. Una we don't make them. Our mommy them they grow Moses. Our party they grow Moses. They forget the government for una. They only work in a farm. They don't pay school fees for their picking them. Their picking they don't learn now. They get enough book for head to help you to rule your own country, West Cameroon. They get sense now to help you to build your own country, West Cameroon. So forget this man, forget this rich man. You come back for your people before it be too late for you. And the thank you plenty. If you get sense, listen to that one. And Gogomon. Before one stop today, I tell you, we can meet up for Bambang Road. The first thing I will do you that will make a me swim for that water for go for your village. We'll meet up between Bamali and Bambaland. Even a high there, I will make you come down from Moto, you walk inside that water, if you go to your village. Then you can know what you have to talk to you, say, live there, come back for your people. Stop what you are probably do. Oh, German they talk some parables, say, apple not the fall far from tree. That means say, begin to always take power footsteps. But I believe so will be intelligent enough to stop this nonsense now before it be too late. I thank you plenty. Southern Cameroonians, time don't reach for we for turn up. As we don't already turn up, we no man no shit down for down. We'll continue. Seize power for this people. Make them be the live with territory. And they can live them as soon as possible. I thank una plenty. I thank una plenty. I thank una plenty. No sleep when you not think about your brother. No sleep when you not support your neighbor. No sleep when you not listen about your neighbor, whether they can pick you for night. No cover your eye when you never make sure say your neighborhood they free from this wish people there. I thank una plenty. Now Uncle P.